I'm going to be showing you how to search for visa sponsorship jobs in the UK, because I know a lot of you are doing it wrong. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back again. So this video is just going to be a way of showing you how to actually search for visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. By the way, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, hit the subscribe button. And again, we got the latest one, which is the membership. So I created membership on my channel so that I can be able to answer your question like on a personal level. So a lot of you have questions and you can't really reach me to maybe ask them, or maybe you want a very detailed explanation. So now I've created this membership, so where I can be creating content only for my members, and I'll be creating content that is tailored to what your needs, like content on what you want. Okay, so if you're interested, hit the membership icon and join my membership. So anyway, let's get started. First, let's start with this. So this is the government website. I don't know if you know, but you can actually search for visa sponsorship jobs on the government website. So all you need to do is go to findajob.dwp.gov.uk. So it will bring you to this site, and on the search icon you can already see I already input visa sponsorship jobs UK. So when you type this, it's just going to show you like 817 visa sponsorship jobs in the UK. Mind you, not all these jobs are sponsorship jobs. Yes, they are not all sponsorship jobs. There's no way, like I'm seeing customer service like that, there's no way you get sponsorship job. So usually how I type it, so let's say I type visa sponsorship job in the UK, like it will show me 817 jobs. But so if I include visa sponsorship jobs available, it's going to show that 12 visa sponsorship jobs available in the UK. So you see it has reduced from 817 to 12. So that's to say all this job here, all these 12 jobs offer sponsorship. So you would see that it is written there. So like you can come to this, let's say this engineering job now. You want to read, so in the summary you can see job experience, blah 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 blah. Towards the end you can see where they wrote visa sponsorship available. Some can be even written on the job description, like this is qualified pharmacy UK visa sponsorship job available. And if maybe you go through the job description, you did not see where it is written if they offer visa sponsorship or not, you can easily just go and check the company and know if they have the license to sponsor your visa. So that's another one. So this one is strictly for international workers. Do you have finding a job with sponsorship in the UK stuff? That is why we are here to help you. So this is their website. I think you need to subscribe to really get, jobs. So they have experience work and they have student work. So if you're an international student, you're looking for sponsorship job, come to this website known as ukvisajobs.com. So the first top search is top student and graduate jobs. So if you're a student, you're looking for look at them. This is UK 2022 UK graduate electrical engineering career path, Newcastle client delivery graduate jobs. So these are all for graduates. And also I usually advise that if you're searching for jobs, please make sure you, aside from checking if they have sponsorship, you also need to check if the salary meets the skilled worker salary requirements as well. So once we're done with the graduates, now is the top experience hired job. This particular ones are for experienced workers who have a degree, who have been working for maybe 3 to 5 years and all of that. So here are the jobs. You can just let's say this one, associate program manager, and you read the job description, the overview, and all of that, then you can apply. So they're looking for individuals who have 2 to 5 years experience, exactly what I said. For experienced role, usually they ask for 3 to 5 years of work experience, but this is 2 to 5 years of work experience. And so this particular site, it's created just like UK Hired, which I'll be going to very soon, is created for visa sponsorship jobs as well. So you can come here and search for jobs and apply to them. This one, our favorite one, which is called ukhired.com. I mean, if you know me, you will know I've talked about UK Hired countless times. We will help you find job in the UK with an international job seeker. This is popular category. By popular category, they mean jobs that are popular in the UK, like civil engineering, IT and software, science and research, marketing and sales, architecture, blah, blah, blah. You know how we do it, so you can look for, I don't know, let's try banking, or let's say marketing and sales. So they have over 105 visa sponsorship, marketing and sales. So you can just come, read all the job description, like this is marketing executive, the location, full-time, the deadline is June, it's closing in June 2022. Then you read through. On this website, they don't usually write visa sponsorship available or not available. So look at it, and so but most of the jobs that this particular website posts are from those with UK with license. Okay, so I mean, that is how you search for sponsorship. So when you're searching on the ukhired.com, you'll not be bothered about looking for where they will write sponsorship available or not. But if you're checking the Govt website, you need to actually read that. Or if you're checking other websites like Total Jobs, Indeed is another fantastic place to find visa sponsorship. I mean, theirs is very, very specific. So Indeed jobs, Indeed, you could go to indeed.co.uk and you search for, the keyword should be visa sponsorship, find jobs. So on Indeed, I mean, Indeed is like one of my best sites to search for jobs, because there are so many things you can really filter. You can check dates that is posted, look for the ones that is posted recently, that is like within 24 hours. You can post salary, you can put industry, look at tier 2 sponsorship area manager, Mandarin speaking, carer needed, tier 2 visa. This is new, this is posted 1 day ago. Dental hygienist, skilled worker sponsorship available. I mean, most of the jobs on Indeed, if you just type visa sponsorship, they're just going to tailor it down to you and show you what you want. Another final way you can do this is by searching, going to the website, going to the company's job sites directly, which I've done in some videos. If you've not seen the video, I would leave the link of the video how you can find jobs with direct employer. Okay, so guys, this is the end of the video. So hit the subscribe button to support your girl if you have not, and guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.